Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and after you see this window, this menu with this power off, reboot, airflow mode keys, you just have to hold your finger on power off, and after this window reboot to safe mode appears, just tap OK and your device will be restarted in a safe mode after that. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof for that we are in the safe mode now. And that's it. That's how you enter safe mode on this device. So if you want to exit safe mode, you just have to restart your device and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.